Cebu City, Honorable Eleanor Momo.
And maraming salamat din to Governor Alexander Pimentel and our Mayor Roxanne Pimentel. And to our Barangay Captain Melanie Joy Momo Uno and the Delahe Barangay Council, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Wala makapicture.
And ayun po, sobrang ako nag-enjoy na makasama kayo. Ayun na.
Oh my God. Hi.
Hello.
My name is Princess. Okay, Princess. Huy! Padre, sorry, Padre. Yes, kuya. Ilang taon na po kayo, sir?
27.